Good morning, guys and girls. I think I need a haircut. I'm starting to feel like a hippie. So we're on the XT. It is Wednesday. Been doing some stuff. Look, got some colour. Where's the sun? There's some colour on the XT, even if it is only the hood hinges, bonnet hinges. But yeah, this car's gonna look killer once it's all in this colour. Look at that. Nice! What else have we been doing? So, we've put some satin black on the front. Oh, sorry about that. My battery went from 75% to 0 in about 30 seconds. So, anyway, as we were saying, I got some satin black on the rad support. And on the dash and the B-pillars. So that's that done. Now what am I doing? Oh, that's all right. This body bed liner stuff that I've got on the underside of the car, I've just got to put some on the inside of the guards, and that's pretty much it for the XT. So we're going to try and knock everything over today. That way it's just ready to go off to the painters when he can take it. So that's my objective. Oh, glove box. Tops of the shocker towers, they're in satin black, and the ashtray, which is somewhere in there. Anyhow, yeah, got a little bit to do today. Got to go hard at it. Where's the sun? I got to go hard at it. So I'm going to get into that, and I'll come back and chat to you later. Okay, guys and girls. We've done the what do you call it, bed liner stuff on the inside of the guards now. I do have to still give this a bit of a quick wet on wet style prime, just a thin prime, just to tidy it up a bit. But other than that, we've got all the little inner splash shields, spring covers, lights surrounds, yeah, other guard, they're all done. So it is just after lunch Wednesday. I'm going to spend the rest of the day just cleaning this thing up. I'm going to buzz over the whole lot again, just a quick light buzz with 500 on the palm sander, and once that's done, it's ready to go. I might do this quickly tomorrow morning, just a quick and send it on its way. But yeah, it's done. And yes, urine I did do up under here like you requested, at least 3 or 4 times. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to carry on with the rest of the day doing, as I said, cleaning up, getting it all nice and spotless, ready to go, because I'm not sure when it's going. It could go late this week, could go next week sometime, but I'm waiting to hear from the painter for when he's ready. So yeah, we'll call back a bit later. If not today, it'll be tomorrow. We're going to get started on the HJ again. I might get this down the other shed and get the HJ back up here again. So might see you then. Well, hello there. So the XT's down this shed because it's ready to go. It's ready to go for paint. So yeah, it's just going to sit down here. I might even throw a frozen plastic over it to keep the dust off it until it does go to paint. The fuel tank's still over there. I'm chasing pinholes. They're just I weld one up and another one pops out. So still working on that. Sometimes you get those jobs, they just bite you in the ass. They end up being far more work than what first expected. My broccoli's still growing. Actually got heads on it now. It's actually starting to come to head. Look at this big one here. See that? See that? It's got little broccolis in there. Alright. I like broccoli. Some people don't. Anyway, we're on the HJ. Been on the HJ since yesterday. I was planning to prime it today, but the weather's kind of gone to shit. It's a bit windy. It's supposed to rain, but it's nearly there. Had a bit of a shitty couple of nights. Hang on, the lens is dirty again. I've had a shitty couple of nights where I haven't been able to sleep. Don't know why. There's no particular reason. You just get like that sometimes. It's nearly ready to prime. There's just a few small bits I've got to rub. Still got to rub from there down to there, and a few small bits just around the engine bay where I couldn't get with the palm sander. Just like bits like, you know, tidy this bit up a bit. There's still a little bit of body filler I've got to rub off. Still a bit of body filler I've got to rub off on the bottom of the seal panels and buzz this bit down. That's it, and it's ready to prime. So I'm going to get that ready to prime. That should be done by lunchtime. But because I'm not priming today, I'm going to skip forward and start blocking down some of the panels that have been primed, because they're going to be primed again yet anyway, because this is polyurethane prime. I've got to go over again. Sorry, this is poly prime. I've got to go over with the polyurethane prime again after I've blocked it down. So yeah, into it, guys. We need to get this done. Might throw a plastic over my 240Z too. Okay, we'll come back in a little bit later. We'll see what we get done today. I did get up late this morning. I said I was going to get up super early and get heaps done, but it was just one of those nights. I feel like I need to sleep for about 30 hours right now. But soldier on. Spring, hey? The season that's confused whether it's winter or summer. It's a little bit chilly today, but anyway, just come to do the sign off for the weekly video. Let's go in here. Oh. Right, so the HJ. So we've got pretty much almost everything rubbed down. This took a bit of time because I actually had to replace this whole section that goes across here. That's all brand new, so I had to do a bit of filler work up there before I finished, and that took quite a bit of effort yesterday. But I think what we've got to do, we've got a little bit of tidy up to do on the firewall. There's just a few bits that are unrubbed where I couldn't get at with the palm sander, and a little bit of filler work up here just where I had to do a weld section there as well. And then the body's ready to prime. So Monday morning I think I'll come out. I'll try and get up early. Every time I say I'm going to get up early, it doesn't happen. So I'll try and get out here early, spend an hour or two getting it all ready, and then we'll prime it. After that, I've got to rub down the inside of the doors so I can prime them as well. And after that, it's block down time. Try and get this thing ready for paint. Also next week, I'm going to start on the HQ, which is down the other shed. So yeah, if you want to see that, tune back in next week, and yeah, on that note, I'm going to leave you with it, and you know, like, subscribe, all that shit, and I'll catch you when I'm looking at you. See you guys.